Hello, Mike Mackler, Athletic Director at GCIT. It's our annual Athlete of the Week segment. We're going to start off with the Female Athlete of the Week, Sydney Gonzalez. Sydney, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Sydney is a member of the girls bowling team. Sydney, what grade are we in?
I'm a senior.
What's our program?
Drama.
And what town are you from?
Deffert.
So, at this taping, the regular season's over, and we're about to go into the playoffs. Seems like it's been a good season, for you and for the team. How have you seen it?
It's been great. We only had one loss, and that was Kingsway, and Kingsway also had one loss, which was us. So pretty fair. But yeah, everyone's improved so much from the beginning.
You know, we've had some good teams. I know we had some new bowlers come in,
yeah.
but I thought the team gelled pretty well as the season went on. So how long have you been bowling for?
Just like overall?
Yeah.
Okay, since I was in 6th grade when my brother started bowling, I wanted to start bowling. I was about like 12 maybe. So yeah. Okay,
and what do you like about bowling? What got you, staying with it?
It's very fun, very easy to learn, jump on. Met a lot of friends. I love the relationships with everyone. Mm-hmm. Just an overall very fun, easy sport for everyone.
Okay. As we talked about, so in the last week or so, a lot of these tournaments are coming up, going through. It's been really, that's been a lot of fun. We took second in the NJSIAA,
yes.
Had a good showing at the Tri-County, and then yesterday the Battle of the Brook.
Yes.
You guys took first place. That had to be exciting.
Oh yeah, we wanted that win so bad, and we got it. So
we're starting playoffs next week. We have a home meet,
yes.
right? And then from there, and you've also qualified for the Meet of Champions, the big state tournament. So that's got to be real exciting. So what are some of your goals you have? I guess for the team and yourself moving forward.
For the team, I want to make it to states.
Okay.
We had a great season so far, and just play your heart out at the playoffs.
Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
So, quick question. You or your brother, who's the better bowler?
Oh my gosh. I feel like it's a pretty obvious answer. My brother, he was the captain. He holds the record here.
Right, okay.
So, yeah.
Well, it's cool that he comes out and supports and all that. Yeah.
You'll see him a lot, for sure.
What's one of the best things about bowling here at GCIT?
The relationships, the friends, the memories, especially the memories. Yeah.
What's one of the best things about going to school here?
Going to school here? Learning a lot about something that you want to learn. Like, say I'm in drama. Mm-hmm. I've learned so much from freshman year to now, and I feel like I've improved like myself as an actress. So you definitely learn a lot about your program.
Okay.
And I like that.
Good stuff. Well, listen, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck to you and the team the rest of the season.
Thank you.
Our Female Athlete of the Week, Sydney Gonzalez. We are back, continuing our Athlete of the Week segment. With me now is the Male Athlete of the Week, Luc Streitz. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Luc is a member of the boys swimming team. Luc, what grade are we in?
I'm in 12th grade.
And what's our program here?
Engineering.
And what town are you from?
From Streetsboro, Woolwich.
So we're pretty much at the end of the regular season, right? Playoffs have started. We won the conference, just won the county tournament, and won the showcase, which you did very well. So how are things going so far for you and the team?
I think couldn't be any better than I've asked for. I mean, we've continued our streak of winning every single season game, won all the championships again, so I can't really ask for that. And then we've been doing really good with new and coming freshmen, so I'm confident that our team will continue to do good in the next 3 years.
I was just about to say, not only we've had a lot coming back, but some of the freshmen that came in, I think, have really elevated the team as they came in this year. So how long have you been swimming for?
This year marks 12 years.
Wow, 12 years. Okay.
Yep.
So what, 5, 6 years old?
Yeah, just about.
And what got you into swimming?
My brother started it. He started a year before, and I was sitting on the bleachers just bored out of my mind. I was like, might as well try it. I mean, I'm not really doing anything else. No other sports I didn't really like that much. So I just hopped in the pool and then stuck with it.
Do you have any specialty like strokes or anything like that that you kind of specialize in?
Anything that's short and fast that I can do.
There you go. So, you know, we had a bye into the semis, and we're gonna, you know, go off on Monday against Egg Harbor. So, and you did qualify for the Meet of Champions again, where you placed last year. So, for the team and for yourself, Luke, what are some of the goals you have going into the postseason?
So I want to win this meet on Monday, but against Cherry Hill East, I want to do our best. Obviously, I want to go some best times. There's going to be some fast swimmers that Cherry Hill East has that we can't exactly compete with due to our depth of our team. So I just want to get as close to them as we possibly get. And then for Meet of Champions, I just hope to place in the podium with the relays as well.
Okay, all right, there were good stuff there. And again, you had a very nice year. It was great to see you get the MVP of the county meet. That'd be really cool.
Thank you.
What's one of the best things about swimming here at GCIT?
I really like the team, the atmosphere that the team gives off. I mean, everybody's pretty much always behind the blocks cheering. There's not really somebody you don't know on the team. Everybody's talking to each other. We all got inside jokes, all the fun stuff that comes with having a team.
What's one of the best things about going to school here?
Going to school here, I really like the fact that the core classes for your program, you can just like build off of them in like different ways. Like for engineering, I can go civil, I can go mechanical, I can go pretty much anywhere I can think of.
Okay, well, good stuff. Well, listen, congratulations to you again for being Athlete of the Week, and best of luck to you and the team the rest of the season.
Thank you very much.
Our male Athlete of the Week, Luc Streitz.